Walt Prothro with Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, Marine Division. Wanted to talk to y'all today about the XL mud boats. They come in a variety of sizes, anywhere from 16 to 18 foot. This is an 1860 here. This is a F4 shallow water edition. Has an electric winch on it. If you come back here, some of the other options on this boat, you have a built-in 11-gallon gas tank. You also have dual gun boxes on this particular, now these are options. Located on this side of the boat, you have a aerated live well, which is an option. Full switch panel in the back with a gas gauge. And we power the XL boats with the Mud Buddy motors. This happens to be their HDR 5000 fuel injected motors. Your Mud Buddy motors will come with a 3-year warranty. You have a lifetime warranty, hull warranty on the XL boat. These are also foam filled. They meet Coast Guard regulations. This boat is actually rated for 5 people, and it's 125 gauge aluminum, which is an option. But they make several other models. 1754s are real popular, 1751s. We've got a pretty good selection right now, and we've got more on the way. But y'all please come see us at Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, 4306 East Texas Street in Bossier City, or you can call us at 318-213-2628.